right, I have all of the stuff from inside the house of mine that I brought into the car to take home. The whole time I was gathering up all of the stuff, I kept thinking, pick up the camera. You should pick up the camera and record this. And I just didn't want to. One, because I was like, I can barely carry these things on my own. And two, this is it. This is it. Like, we're done. The closet is empty. I am leaving this, and I am leaving this because we worked out something with the new owners, and she really wanted those things. I thought that was really fun that she liked the decor that I put up. I'll link them if you guys are interested in them. I know that the blush was out of stock, and she really liked the blush one. The one thing I'm leaving in the house is this book that we had made. It's a before and after book. Let me just find a good one in here. That was a good one. Of the yard, the sides. Let's get back here. Aww. Oops.
Can you believe that?
No.
Such a cute master bedroom now.
You're not even showing it. That was the old master bath.
And that was like remodeled like 3 years prior.
Yeah, I don't know if I'd call that a remodel, but they're gonna really enjoy a picture of us, but I was like, yeah, well. Look at that.
You in the mirror. Wow, look at the difference. Like, look at how dark that window is. It had that covering on there, and now it's just bright and beautiful.
That's a good one. Oof. Yeah, that's a good one. Okay, are you guys sick of seeing all of our stuff? Well, if you are, congrats. You will no longer see before and after pictures of this place. It might be a little anticlimactic, but this is the last. We're leaving. Like, we are locking the door for the last time, and we're gonna go sign the papers over to the new owners. So it's kind of wild. I would be lying if I didn't say that I've been teary-eyed a few times today, mostly just with gratitude. I've just been overwhelmingly grateful. And I said a little prayer earlier in here, and I just prayed. Well, I just gave thanks for the timing and the opportunity, and just to that your work would hold up good for the new owners, that it would be good for them. And
I can't believe it.
We do have one more thing that we need to do quickly in here. I mean, it doesn't have to be quickly, it's just something that we haven't got a chance to do here. So we're gonna quickly get that done. I mean, it was a joke, but maybe it doesn't have to be a joke.
Feelings are crushed.
No.
Don't feel like a man now.
It's on. We're doing it. There he is, folks, doing his thing, getting the trailer hitched. It's not the way she looked when we got her. Glad we're leaving her a little better than we found her. Yeah, Joel?
Oh yeah.
That's all he has to say. Okay, goodbye, house.
How do you know it's a her?
I'll tell you what I never expected was to take this trailer from the property we just did to this property.
Not take it home?
Yeah, not take it home and have it already occupied for a new job. That's what I did not ever expect.
Well, I called the Hoellein rental service and they said this one's reserved for the next 2 years, 3 years, whatever it takes.
No, 18 months, Joel. You cannot drag this out.
You're gonna have to figure out how to frame, huh?
Joel looked at me and he goes, what are we gonna do to celebrate? And I looked at him and his eyes were like full of tears.
Especially I got glasses on.
And we both were like, we don't even need to celebrate. Like, this is our celebration. Are you kidding me? I don't think we could ever express how grateful we are for the incredible things that we get to do. Having this house be sold, I feel like it's so surreal. We were talking about dreams and being dreamers and the difference between being a dreamer and a doer. And he's like, you can do both. He's like, we're both. But if you can't make the rubber hit the road, he's like, what were you saying? What's the point? I don't even know.
Well, then you're just a dreamer.
Yeah.
But what I was saying was, when we first bought this house, in my mind I thought, Joel, this seems like a big dream. Are you capable of doing it? And I kind of doubted a lot of my capabilities to do it. Still, it's like,
Can't believe
I just can't believe it's done. Like, the reality isn't there, but we just went through all the steps of doing, and finally the dream comes to pass. And that, I mean, that's just the way life and success works, and joy works. Even if it's small little doing will bring about joy, you know? I don't know.
And maybe that's what I feel. I just feel so proud of what we've done for the last year, and I don't know. We are relishing in how we feel right now, and being able to have the property just, I don't know. It's very surreal. We are so grateful, and I am just really looking forward to what we get to do now. You know.
Yeah, I think
we'll celebrate. We'll find a way to celebrate.
Well, it's funny because it's like I honestly was like, well, there's got to be something we've got to do to like culminate the feelings we're feeling. But it's like we could go celebrate however we want, but it is not going to feel the way we feel right now. This is the celebration. It's a peace right now. It's.
You said it. Amen.
Done.
Amen, boyfriend. What?
I don't know.
Oh, I was like, high five. What?
Hey lady, your mask matches your jacket.
I know, isn't that so cute? I think I said this already. I got so sick of wearing ugly masks. Is that not the cutest mask?
It's pretty cute. It matches your jacket so well.
Thanks.
And I like that jacket.
Thank you. I will link both of them in the description for you guys.
You would.
And my makeup. Oh, thanks, sweetie.
Definitely one of my favorite jackets on Bonnie. I didn't know she could hear that.
We're brushing Lincoln's teeth, and he said,
"What are those dots on your tongue?"
Those are called taste buds.
They make you taste?
Yep. And each little thing helps
Touches
you
it?
taste your food. So open your mouth. I don't remember what it is, but like back here, tastes certain things better, the sides taste certain flavors better, and the tip tastes certain things better. Is that crazy?
When will I get that laser back in my tongue?
When Lincoln was a baby, he had his tongue lasered so he could nurse better, and it worked. It helped. I always pulled it back so it wouldn't grow back, and over the years it's just grown back. It's being pulled back so tight that he can't even, there's no free edge. And see how it's like split down the center? It's because it's being tied and pulled so hard underneath. So actually, probably if you wanted, when you get older, we can laser it again.
No! Today!
I came home today and finally decided it was time to put away some Christmas decor, and it feels good to get things back up. I can't remember what I had over here. I'm gonna have to like try and remember. Anyway.
Oh, that was the deer and you broke its horn off.
You broke a horn off the deer?
Yeah.
I was infuriated because there's zero room downstairs, and I was reaching for something and I lost my balance, and so I stepped back and I pushed it over. Believe me, I said some choice things. No, I was hoping you would help me fix it. It broke in 2 spots too. Oh, I was furious. Oh, I was so furious.
You could probably get a new deer.
Thanks for telling on me, Lincoln. No, I can't. We bought them from Sam's Club a long time ago. When in today have we had a chance to sit down so I could tell you? Yeah. Okay. I am sorry. I felt really bad. I loved those deer. Joel bought those deer. Thank you for watching. Today is the last video that goes in our renovation playlist. It's the last video. Joel, this is the last video we're gonna make on that place. This is the completion. This is the end. I was gonna say it wasn't very climatic, but
Oh, sure was.